Are you ready to become an AI influencer and start making money online in 2025? You're not alone in this exciting journey. In this article, I'll share my personal experience and guide you through the steps to become a successful AI influencer, even if you're starting from scratch. Let's dive right in. If you prefer a video version, you can watch it here. First, let's address the burning question. What exactly is an AI influencer? Simply put, an AI influencer is someone who leverages artificial intelligence tools and platforms to create content, engage with their audience, and monetize their online presence. It's a rapidly growing field that combines the power of social media influencing with cutting-edge AI technology. Now you might be wondering, can I really make money as an AI influencer? The answer is a resounding yes. In fact, the AI influencer market is projected to reach new heights in 2025, making it the perfect time to jump in and carve out your niche. So how can you become an AI influencer and start making money as soon as possible? Let's break it down into actionable steps. Step 1. Choose your AI niche. The first crucial step in becoming an AI influencer is to identify your niche. With AI touching virtually every industry, there's no shortage of options. You could focus on AI in marketing, AI for content creation, AI in healthcare, or even AI for personal productivity. The key is to choose a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. For example, if you're passionate about writing, you might consider becoming an AI influencer in the realm of AI-powered content creation tools. This could involve showcasing how to use AI writing assistants, demonstrating AI-generated image creation, or exploring AI-enhanced video editing techniques. Step 2. Master AI tools. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to become an expert in the relevant AI tools. In 2025, there's an abundance of AI platforms and applications to explore. Some popular options include GPT-4 for natural language processing and content generation, DALL-E 3 for AI-powered image creation, Runway for AI video editing and special effects, Jasper for AI-assisted marketing copy. Dedicate time to learning these tools inside and out. Experiment with their features, understand their limitations, and discover unique ways to apply them in your chosen niche. Step 3. Create valuable content. Now that you're equipped with AI knowledge and skills, it's time to start creating content. Remember, the key to success as an AI influencer is providing value to your audience. Here are some content ideas to get you started. Tutorial videos showcasing how to use specific AI tools, comparison posts between different AI platforms, case studies demonstrating real-world applications of AI, tips and tricks for maximizing AI efficiency, predictions and insights about the future of AI in your niche. Consistency is crucial when building your audience. Aim to post regularly, whether it's daily, weekly, or bi-weekly. Use AI tools to help streamline your content creation process, but always add your unique perspective and insights. Step 4. Build your online presence. To become a successful AI influencer, you need to establish a strong online presence. Here are some platforms to consider. YouTube. Create in-depth video tutorials and vlogs about AI. TikTok. Share quick AI tips and tricks in short-form videos. Instagram. Post AI-generated images and behind-the-scenes content. Twitter. Engage in AI discussions and share your thoughts on industry trends. LinkedIn. Connect with professionals and share AI insights for business applications. Remember to optimize your profiles on these platforms, using relevant keywords and hashtags to increase your visibility. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and participating in discussions within the AI community. Step 5. Monetize your AI influence. Now comes the exciting part: making money as an AI influencer. There are several ways to monetize your influence in the AI space. 1. Affiliate marketing. Promote AI tools and platforms using your unique affiliate links. Many AI companies offer generous commission structures for referrals. 2. Sponsored content. As your audience grows, AI companies may approach you to create sponsored content showcasing their products or services. 3. Online courses. Develop and sell courses teaching others how to use AI tools effectively in their businesses or personal lives. 4. Consulting services. Offer one-on-one or group consulting sessions to help individuals or businesses implement AI solutions. 5. AI-generated products. Use AI tools to create and sell digital products like ebooks, templates, or AI-generated art. 6. Speaking engagements. As your reputation grows, you may be invited to speak at AI conferences or events. To kickstart your earnings, focus on affiliate marketing. Many AI tools offer attractive commission rates, sometimes even recurring commissions for subscription-based services. For instance, an AI writing assistant might offer a 30% recurring commission on all referrals. Step 6. Stay updated and adapt. The world of AI is constantly evolving, and as an AI influencer, it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve. Make it a habit to follow AI news and developments in your niche. Attend AI conferences and webinars. Experiment with new AI tools as they emerge. Network with other AI influencers and professionals. By staying informed and adaptable, you'll maintain your relevance and continue to provide value to your audience. Step 7. Leverage AI for growth. As an AI influencer, you have a unique advantage: the ability to use AI tools to enhance your own growth strategy. Here are some ways to do this. Use AI-powered analytics tools to understand your audience better. Implement AI chatbots to engage with your followers 24/7. Utilize AI for content scheduling and social media management. Employ AI-driven SEO tools to optimize your content for search engines. By harnessing the power of AI in your own influencer journey, you will not only showcase the potential of these tools but also streamline your workflow and accelerate your growth. In conclusion, becoming an AI influencer in 2025 is an exciting opportunity with immense potential for making money online. By following these steps: choosing your niche, mastering AI tools, creating valuable content, building your online presence, monetizing your influence, staying updated, and leveraging AI for growth, you will be well on your way to success in this dynamic field. Remember, the key to becoming a successful AI influencer is to provide genuine value to your audience. Share your journey, be transparent about your experiences with AI tools, and always strive to educate and inspire your followers. Are you ready to embark on your AI influencer journey? The future of AI is here, and it's time for you to be at the forefront. Start today, and who knows, you might just become the next big AI influencer of 2025. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI-related content. Have questions about becoming an AI influencer? Drop them in the comments below, and let's continue this exciting conversation.